Well, I think it's important to first off say that in terms of looking at the state of the market, this is an entirely unprecedented, has been an entirely unprecedented time for the legal market. We've had basically 20 years of uninterrupted growth suddenly brought to a halt, and law firms having for the first time to make significant numbers of redundancies. Hardest hit have been real estate, corporate and finance, as one might expect with the hit on the banks. Everything else has kind of also been affected in terms of its relationship to those core areas. I think there was a feeling before the redundancies started that perhaps litigation and insolvency in particular would somehow rescue the law firms. That hasn't actually necessarily been the case. Litigation volumes have been up slightly, but insolvency hasn't really been a big feature of this this particular downturn. So in terms of what's currently in demand for private practice lawyers, there is a degree of demand among litigation practices. Employment, for instance, there's a bit of demand there. There's a little bit of demand in certain finance areas, restructuring, asset finance, the kind of first finance areas to pick up. Core, corporate and real estate are completely flat at the moment. We're starting to see the first few flickers of activity, but nothing too strong yet.